In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance quality in Canva. If you've ever exported a design and noticed that the final image looks blurry, pixelated, or just not as sharp as you expected, this walkthrough will help you fix that. Canva gives you several built-in ways to improve quality, but the key is knowing how to set up your design properly from the start and how to export it the right way at the end. To begin, start from the Canva homepage and click Create a Design in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Custom Size. This is where quality starts because a small canvas can limit how sharp your final result will be. Change the unit from pixels to inches if needed and enter 8 by 10 inches, or use a large pixel-based size like 5000 by 5000. Starting with a bigger, high-resolution canvas gives your design much more room to stay crisp, especially if you plan to print it or scale it up later. Once your blank design opens, you can improve any uploaded photo or image that looks soft or low quality. Click directly on the image you want to work on, then choose Edit Photo from the top toolbar. On the left side, open the Adjust section and scroll until you find Sharpness and Clarity. Increasing sharpness helps define edges, while clarity improves detail and reduces that muddy look that low-quality images often have. Make small adjustments and watch the image in real time so you don't overdo it. Next, when adding icons, logos, or decorative graphics, it's best to use vector-style assets instead of flat raster images whenever possible. Open the Elements panel on the left, search for the type of graphic you want, and include the word vector in your search, then switch to the graphics results. These kinds of elements are much better for quality because they can be resized without losing sharpness, which makes them ideal for clean, professional designs. After that, add your text by clicking the Text tab and selecting Add a Text Box. Type your headline, keep it clear and fairly short, and choose a bold, easy-to-read font such as League Spartan or Montserrat Bold, then center the text using Canva's alignment guides. Strong contrast and proper alignment make text look cleaner and more polished, which improves the overall visual quality of the design. Finally, before exporting, do one last check to make sure everything is aligned well and nothing important is too close to the edge. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if your design is for digital use, or PDF print if it's for printing. Most importantly, increase the size slider to scale the file up before downloading. This gives you a higher resolution export and helps preserve detail. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.